All right, we are laying flat on our backs. We have our knees bent, and we're going to be doing what's called abdominal bracing. So for that, I want you to kind of think of that reaction you have when either you're going to cough or get punched in the stomach. So kind of think of that. That's the contraction that we're looking for. So we're going to lay down, and I want you to kind of tilt that pelvis up a little bit so your low back is nice and flat with the ground. And then what we're going to do is bring that belly button in towards the spine. Nice hard abdominal crunch, but you're still able to maintain your breathing. So I'm still able to breathe with this. If I can't breathe, I'm doing it wrong basically. So we're not looking for an abdominal vacuum. I'm just looking for you bracing your core, so as if you're getting punched in the stomach. So we're going to be holding this contraction for 10 seconds this time. So tilting the pelvis, contracting, bring that belly button into that spine, act as if someone's going to punch me in the stomach, and hold and breathe. Now, if you're starting to shake in your abdominals, that is okay. You just need to build up more strength in your abdominal muscles. And I also like doing these more, especially when I am in a low back flare-up versus doing a crunch. To work my abdominals, these work a lot better. So keep that contraction and relax. Now, if you weren't feeling much then, repeat it, do it again. All right.